Alright, this video is a quick demo on how to do a egress window. You need to have an egress window for every different living space in your basement. So it's pretty easy. You just take the straight foundation wall, put in a space where you want your window to be, put your window in, and then double click in that space, take the ceiling and roof off of it, and then go back up to your main floor. And then notice that I have my reference tools or display tool showing the red lines there where that's at. I'll put in a quick terrain there, and then under terrain tools, go to feature, terrain hole, and then you simply put that in that box there like such. Let's look at it in 3D. Get yourself a little egress window. Simple as that. Good luck. Let me know if you have questions.